When it comes to affordable EVs, BYD has been making huge waves, and the 2026 BYD Dolphin Surf is proof that the company isn't slowing down anytime soon. This isn't just another compact EV. It's a sleek, stylish, and fun-to-drive hatchback designed for the new era of electromobility. In this review, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Dolphin Surf, from its exterior design to the interior features, the engine setup, and of course, its expected release date and price. So, buckle up, because this little EV is about to make a big splash. At first glance, the 2026 Dolphin Surf feels like a car that was created with young drivers and city commuters in mind. It's compact, sporty, and surprisingly premium for its class. What makes it stand out is how BYD manages to blend practicality with modern style. You're not just getting an entry-level EV. You're getting a lifestyle car, one that looks good in the city, but also feels right at home on longer weekend drives. The Surf trim in particular leans into a sportier, more adventurous personality compared to the regular Dolphin, giving it an edge for those who want a bit more flair in their electric ride. The 2026 BYD Dolphin Surf takes inspiration from the brand's Ocean Aesthetics design language, which is sleek and aerodynamic. At the front, you'll notice a low, sweeping nose paired with sharp LED headlights that give the car a modern and slightly aggressive stance. The Surf Edition enhances this with unique bumper detailing and sporty accents that help it stand apart from the base Dolphin model. From the side, the hatchback silhouette is smooth and flowing, with subtle curves that give a youthful, energetic vibe. Blacked-out roof panels and sharp body lines add a layer of sophistication, while the sporty 18-inch alloy wheels on the Surf trim complete the look. At the back, the LED taillight bar stretches across the hatch, giving it a futuristic touch that looks fantastic at night. Overall, the exterior is bold, fun, and undeniably stylish, making the Dolphin Surf a head-turner in its segment. Step inside, and the 2026 Dolphin Surf greets you with an interior that's both tech-savvy and comfortable. BYD clearly focused on giving this EV a futuristic yet practical cabin. Right at the center, you'll find the brand's signature rotating 12.8-inch infotainment display, which can switch between portrait and landscape modes with a simple touch, a feature that continues to impress and sets BYD apart from many competitors. The dashboard is clean and modern, featuring soft-touch materials and colorful accent trims that give a playful personality. The Surf trim adds sportier touches like contrast stitching and special seat upholstery, making the cabin feel more dynamic. In terms of comfort, the Dolphin Surf doesn't disappoint. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering good support for both short commutes and longer drives. Rear passengers get ample legroom for a compact EV. And thanks to the flat floor design, the cabin feels more spacious than expected. Cargo space is also practical, with enough room to handle groceries, luggage, or gear for a weekend getaway. Technology-wise, the Dolphin Surf is loaded with features. Alongside the rotating infotainment screen, you'll get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an intuitive digital instrument cluster. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with BYD's D-Pilot suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, coming standard. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, you'll find BYD's advanced blade battery technology, which is quickly becoming one of the industry's most respected EV battery systems. For the 2026 Dolphin Surf, BYD offers a powerful setup that balances performance with efficiency. The Surf Edition comes equipped with a single electric motor producing around 204 horsepower, making it peppy and fun to drive in city conditions while still capable on the highway. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 7 seconds, which isn't blistering, but more than enough for its size and class. Range is one of the key highlights here. Thanks to BYD's efficient battery design, the Dolphin Surf can deliver an estimated 250 to 280 miles on a full charge, depending on driving conditions. Charging is also competitive, with DC fast charging capabilities that allow you to go from 30% to 80% in roughly 30 minutes. For city driving, the Dolphin Surf is agile and nimble, with light steering that makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Yet, it's stable enough to feel confident at higher speeds, making it a versatile daily driver. So, when can you get your hands on the 2026 BYD Dolphin Surf? The model is expected to arrive in select global markets by late 2025, with wider availability in early 2026. Pricing will depend on the region, but industry insiders suggest the Dolphin Surf will start around $28,000 to $32,000, making it one of the most affordable sporty EV hatchbacks on the market. This positions it strongly against rivals like the VW ID.3 MG4 EV, and even the Nissan Leaf's upcoming refresh. And that's the full scoop on the new 2026 BYD Dolphin Surf, a stylish, affordable, and practical EV that proves fun electric driving doesn't need to break the bank. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more reviews of the latest cars hitting the roads, don't forget to like this video, hit that bell icon, and subscribe to AutoSnuff for all the updates you need on the automotive world.